So today we're going to be looking at comparing numbers that are written in scientific notation. The first thing I'm going to look at is always going to be my exponent. This is going to be the easiest way to decide which number is larger. If I look at these numbers in example number 1, it is clearly going to be this one that is larger because it is 9 place values versus this one being 9 place values. Again, that speaks to how many places I would move the decimal to the right. This one's going to go right 9 times. This one's only going to go right 5 times. If I look at example number 2, it's not quite so simple. My powers of 10 are the same. They're both to the exponent of 6. So the next thing I'm going to do is look at my coefficient. Well, this one starts with a 5, so does this one. Then the decimal, then 1, then 1. This one edges out ever so slightly because its next digit is a 3, which makes this coefficient larger than this one. So this is my larger number. Finally, we're going to look at examples with negative exponents. If I look at these two exponents, well, yeah, 27 is a really large number and it's bigger than 3, but I'm thinking about which number is closer to 0. So if 0 is here, negative 27 is all the way down here, whereas negative 3 is much closer to 0, so negative 3 is going to be my larger number.